At the age of 30, be real, we really don't bounce back like we did when we were teenagers.
Well, I mean, you're not young.
And I learned that the hard way with some sore knees, tight calves, and way too much time spent foam rolling. So today I'm gonna give you 5 safety tips to keep your joints healthy, your workouts consistent, and your body a little more pain-free. All the equipment in today's video is available down below. That's why knee sleeves are a must. They stabilize the joints, increase blood flow, and add warmth and compression. Basically, they're insurance for your knees, and if you've ever finished a workout and limped to the fridge, you get it.
Just wrapping my knees like I'm Patrick Ewing from the 90s.
By the way, I did an entire video on the benefits of knee sleeves. Check it out in the links down below. But compression doesn't stop at the knees. What you wear on your legs and your feet can make or break your recovery. Let's talk compression gear. Pants, socks, sleeves, and no, it's not just for influencers on Instagram. This stuff actually works. It reduces muscle vibration, it keeps tissue stable, and helps you recover quicker. You ever feel like your calves are made of concrete the day after jump? That's where compression comes in. It hugs your muscle, boosts your circulation, and keeps your legs feeling springy, not stiff. And speaking of stiff, what if I told you there's a 5-minute habit that can instantly loosen your body up before and after your jumps? Massages and foam rollers aren't just luxury items, they're essential. They break up knots, improve circulation, and keep you limber. Tight calves, stiff glutes, and lower back pain, all fixed with a $10 foam roller or massage ball. Use it on your hamstrings, your glutes, your calves, your traps, especially if you sit a lot or train hard. Honestly, this is how I train so often. I make sure to use these things basically every day. Before we dive into the next tip, I've got something that'll take your fitness journey to the next level. My book, Jump Into Fitness, is the ultimate guide to transforming your body and mastering the art of jumping rope. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to refine your skill, this book will teach you everything you need to know about jumping rope the right way and get real results. Ready to revolutionize your workout? Grab a copy below and start your transformation today. Here's the bonus: staying loose also helps your jump rope form. And bad form, that's what gets people injured the fastest. Here's what the proper form looks like. Stay on the balls of your feet. A slight bend in your knees. Keep your jumps low, 1 to 2 inches max. Your elbows should be tucked in and you should spin from your wrist, not your arms. And one thing I don't hear a lot of people talking about is you should be jumping rope on the correct surface. You shouldn't be jumping rope on concrete often without a jump rope mat. You want to make sure you're jumping rope on softer surfaces like NBA hardwood, a clay court, a tennis court. But you can actually take a jump rope mat anywhere and make it into a safe surface. Doing this in combination with actually having on a good pair of shoes. Make sure your shoes aren't very run down or you haven't been jumping on them forever.
Plus you need new shoes, eh?
Look, I get it, you're excited to jump, but if you go from the couch to double unders with no warm-up, that's how you meet your foam roller real quick. Start with dynamic moves like leg swings, butt kicks, arm circles, then stretch after your session. Calves, hips, hamstrings, and glutes. And take your time. Start with 30-second intervals, rest, repeat. Work your way up to 2 to 3 minutes of non-stop jumping over time. Going slow isn't a weakness, it's how you win long term. And if you're still with me, you're probably serious about training smart. So here's how we put it all together. So let's recap. Knee sleeves, compression gear, recovery tool, good form and surfaces, warm up and progression. That's the blueprint for strong jump rope training in your 30s and beyond. And if you want the full plan that puts it all into action, workouts, rest days, mobility, it's in my book and my 4-week jump rope program. Check the links in the description below. Train smart, protect your joints, and let's keep jumping. And while you wait for your book to arrive, make sure you check out this video right here. It's my secret for getting in shape and not giving all the effort you have to every single time you work out. This is the perfect video for anybody looking to lose a little weight. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and as always, just start. Worry about being perfect later. Peace.